So your resume was like pretty blank. You had a lot of good athletic stuff, and it sounds like your GPA was super high. So you had that going for you.
Yeah, fortunately, my GPA I had going for me. I guess athletics for what that counts, but as soon as I kind of figured out what the credentials were to getting the job, I just sort of started stacking up as many internships as I can, frankly, or I could, frankly.
Hmm.
Um, and I even extended my graduation a year to kind of buy me some more time.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we can talk about that decision because I think there's a lot of people in that seat where they get to junior year and they're just like, especially now, it's like even even earlier than when you were there. And so they get there and there's just no seats and they're like, wait a second, how is this already done?
Right.
Or I'm almost 2 years away from graduating.
Yep.
So tell me a little bit about just so you kind of it sounds like kind of junior year you started saying, okay, this finance thing's interesting. And you talked about stacking internships. Tell me how you kind of first landed that first internship and how you managed to do it kind of during the year.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess thinking back, um, it was my junior year, second semester, and yeah, I had no internships. But there was this local investment bank in Athens called Frisch Capital Partners. Athens is where Georgia is,
Hmm.
and all the guys in our finance club, not all the guys, but a lot of people intern there. They all seem to be able to secure kind of these bulge bracket offers, and so I honestly just pinged him a bunch of times, and this doesn't always work. But frankly, he said no the first few times, and then eventually called me back and just asked me if I wanted to grab coffee. And then I started an internship there that day, and so that was, I'd say, my first exposure to any sort of transaction or deal type